So guys, give me your full attention here. Imagine this is a digital employee that never sleeps, never takes a break, and literally finishes your work while you're dreaming. Crazy, right? But listen, this isn't a sci-fi anymore. By the end of 2026, tech is shifting from simple chats to fully independent systems. And the top 1%, they're already automating their lives. So if you're excited already, okay, so let's talk about the big shift. So hi everyone, I'm Sheetal. I'm BTech IT professional and an expert in AI and machine learning. So on the channel AI with Sheetal, I take the most complex technologies in the world and break it down. So anyone can use it to change their life. So if you're new here, so make sure you hit subscribe and stay tuned. So in our last video, we look at the AI flowchart. So basically the brain or the map of how AI thinks. If you haven't seen that, don't worry. Just think of that flowchart as the instruction. And today we are building the robot that actually follows those instructions. Sounds fun, right? So stick with me guys. I have spent years of studying how this system works. So you don't have to. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly how to build a digital workforce that handles your boring tasks automatically. Whether you're a student, a business owner, or just curious in this most important skill of 2026. So guys, let's get started. So we are entering in the era of autonomous agents. So forget about just asking questions because 2026 is all about execution. It's about AI finishing multi-step jobs without you pressing a single button. बस एक बार गोल सेट करो और AI अपना मैजिक दिखाएगा. So guys, this is the big shift, right? Now, what's the difference? Standard chatbots are reactive. They wait for you to tell them what to do every single time. But AI agents, they are proactive. They're goal oriented. They plan their own steps. They use their right tools. And they keep working until the job is done. अब ऐसे समझ लो चैटबॉट एक हेल्पर है और एजेंट एक मैनेजर. Got it? Okay, so moving on to the next slide. So how do they actually think? Agent stand on 3 pillars. So guys, let's understand one by one. So the first is reasoning. Actually, this is the first pillar of AI agent, right? So they break big goals into the small and easy steps. And in the second pillar, which is memory, so they remember what happened 5 minutes ago and even what they learned yesterday, right? And now let's talk about the third pillar, which is action. So they actually use software, search the web, and talk to other apps to get things done. So simple बोलूं तो सोचना, याद करना और काम करना, easy, right? So आप इस वे में अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं. Now let's talk about autonomous execution. So seeing is believing. Let me give you an example. An agent can find a business lead, study their entire website, write a custom proposal and send the email. All while you're sound as asleep, no human oversight needed. You just check your dashboard in the morning. मतलब नींद में भी प्रोडक्टिविटी डबल हो गई. कूल ना? That's why I'm telling guys, try to learn agentic AI because in today's era, this is one of the most important skills. Now, let's talk about multi-agent spams. So sometimes one agent isn't enough. That's when they form spams, right? Like Avengers, but AI style, the researcher finds the fact. Listen again. The researcher finds the fact and the writer turns those facts into code or copy. Then the critic double checks everything for mistakes. So teamwork makes the dream work, guys. I hope you understood this point. Now let's talk about the speed comparison. And the speed, mind blowing. A complex corporate task that takes human 10 hours can be done by an AI agent swam in just a few minutes. और हम सोच रहे थे फास्ट इंटरनेट ही काफी है. नो, दिस इज नेक्स्ट लेवल. Literally, guys, this is just a next level. So now let's talk about enterprise adoption 2026. Because by the end of 2026, every major industry is using them. Tech and software, 82% for coding and security. Finance, 71% to stop fraud. And in healthcare, 58% for automated medical research. जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं हर जगह AI का डंका बज रहा है. So guys, this is not optional anymore. Once again I'm telling you, this is not optional anymore. So please be expert in agentic AI world, because that will definitely help you to automate your workflow. So guys, now look at how fast we have moved. In 2022, simple chatbots, right? So there were simple chatbots. In 2024, AI started using tools. And today, in 2026, fully autonomous self-working teams. So समय के साथ AI भी evolve हो गया है. जैसे हम स्कूल से कॉलेज तक, I hope you're connecting the dots what I'm actually trying to telling you. So now let's have a look to market impact. Because the global market for this tech is hitting literally $11.5 billion this year. Companies using agents are seeing a massive 44% increase in efficiency in just 6 months. मतलब पैसा भी बचा और टाइम भी बचा और स्ट्रेस भी कम हुआ. ओके, सो गाइस, जस्ट टेल मी who doesn't want that, right? Because everyone want, definitely, there's no question. So my dear friends, remember this one thing about the future. The winners won't be the people who only use AI. They will be the people who know how to control, connect, and orchestrate it. AI tools are like a powerful orchestra, and you are the conductor. The moment you learn to manage these systems together, you stop working harder and start working smarter. बस डायरेक्शन तुम दो, बाकी AI तुम्हारे लिए मैजिक क्रिएट करेगा. I hope you understood. So the question is simple. Will you control the AI or will you be replaced by it? So master these agents before they master your industry. So follow AI with Sheetal for the full guide to the future and join the revolution today. और हाँ, एक फन टिप, AI को दोस्ती से ट्रीट करो, बॉसी मत बनो, क्योंकि दोस्त बनेगा तो डबल काम करेगा, right? So if you stay till the end, comment revolution ready, so I know you're a part of the journey. Thank you guys.